the machine that sees time. 1 million miles from Earth, floating in permanent darkness, there is a machine that can literally see into the past. This is the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful space observatory ever built. Because light travels at a finite speed, every time Webb looks deeper into space, it also looks further back in time. Looking at the moon shows it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. Looking at the sun shows it as it was 8 minutes ago. But looking billions of light years away allows Webb to observe the universe as it existed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It was designed to witness the birth of the first stars and galaxies, yet what it has discovered has challenged some of our strongest scientific theories. According to the standard model of cosmology, the earliest galaxies should have been small, chaotic, and still in the process of forming. Instead, Webb discovered massive, well-organized galaxies that already existed just 300 to 400 million years after the Big Bang, far earlier than astronomers expected. These observations have become known as the impossible galaxies. Problem because the data appears too consistent to dismiss as an error. Some researchers believe galaxies formed much faster than previously thought. Others suggest dark matter may behave differently than current models predict, while some argue our timeline of the early universe itself may need revision. Although scientists disagree on the explanation, they agree that these discoveries reveal gaps in our understanding of how the universe evolved. Webb has also transformed the search for life beyond Earth. One of its most intriguing targets is K218b, a planet located about 124 light-years away in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water could potentially exist. By studying starlight passing through the planet's atmosphere during a transit, Webb detected possible traces of dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, a molecule that, on Earth, is produced almost entirely by living organisms, particularly microscopic marine life. The research team, led by astrophysicist Niku Madhusudan, has emphasized that the signal currently reaches about a 3 sigma confidence level, below the 5 sigma standard required for a confirmed scientific discovery. While the finding is exciting, it is not yet proof of life, and many scientists argue the signal could be explained by unknown non-biological chemical processes. Even so, this represents one of the strongest and most actively debated potential biosignatures ever observed on another world. In 2025, Webb also studied one of the rarest visitors ever seen in our solar system, 3I/Atlas, only the third confirmed interstellar object discovered passing through our cosmic neighborhood. Unlike comets born around our Sun, this object originated around another star before entering our solar system on a one-time journey through space. Using its near-infrared spectrograph, Webb analyzed the object's composition, allowing scientists to study material formed in an entirely different planetary system. For a brief moment, humanity had the opportunity to examine matter that had traveled across interstellar space before continuing its endless journey back into the galaxy. Another major focus of Webb's mission is the TRAPPIST-1 system, located about 40 light-years away. This remarkable system contains 7 Earth-sized rocky planets orbiting a small red dwarf star, with 3 of them lying within the habitable zone. Webb has spent years searching for signs of atmospheres around these worlds, because an atmosphere is one of the most important ingredients for supporting life. Early observations suggest that some of these planets may have lost their atmospheres due to intense radiation from their star, while others remain under investigation. Every new observation brings scientists closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? Not every discovery made by Webb is connected to life. Some reveal just how strange alien worlds can be. On the exoplanet WASP-94ab, Webb observed evidence suggesting that mineral-rich clouds formed during one part of the planet's day and disappeared by another, creating weather unlike anything found on Earth. Imagine clouds made from vaporized rock rather than water, existing in an environment where sunrise and sunset produce completely different climates. These extraordinary observations remind us that the universe is often far more imaginative than science fiction. The James Webb Space Telescope never travels to distant worlds or lands on alien planets. It simply watches, silently collecting ancient light that has spent billions of years crossing the cosmos. Hidden within that light may be the answers to how the first galaxies formed, whether life exists beyond Earth, and how planetary systems evolve across the universe. Every image Webb sends back expands the boundaries of human knowledge, proving that the more we discover, the more mysterious the universe becomes. We built a machine to look backward through time in order to understand our origins, and perhaps one day, that same machine will reveal that humanity has never been alone.